sa 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 ga re sa 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 ni ni sa 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 ga re sa 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 ni ni sa 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 ga re sa 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 ni ni sa 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 ga re sa 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 ni ni sa re ga ga re sa re sa sa ni ni sa re ga ga re sa re sa sa ni ni sa re ga ga re sa re sa 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 ni
So we met each other at IIT Tirupati. I was doing my masters there, and she came there as a first year PhD, that too in English literature. So we had good common friends, and then we become very good friends. And after some time, slowly we started dating. And yeah, it's been 4-5 years. It's been 5 years, right? 6 years. Yeah, so it's been 6 years, and yeah, now we are here.
Yeah, so
Officially married, yes.
And finally, we wish them all the happiness, all our blessings, all the blessings of our elders, everyone on the behalf of the entire family. We bless them, and we hope they stay well. And that's all. You should say something.
yeah, lots of love to Anant and Kashyapi, Shalu, my little Shalu. I wish them the best in their life.
We wish you a very happy married life and a life full of joy with Anand. Hello, my God. Namaste, namaste.
কিছুটা ছেলে মানুষই মেনেও তো ভালোবাসি বলে কয়ে কথা দিয়ে যাও। দেখো না এনেছি সাথে মধুমাখা দিনে রাতে